Click on the Windows 11 icon and search for Store in the search bar. Click on the Store icon. Here, you will find thousands of applications for Windows. Search for your desired application and press the Enter button. The application will appear. Now, click on the Get button. Installation will start. Installation is in process. After installation, the Open button will appear. Click on the Open button. Now click on the Login button. You will be redirected to a web page. We can log in here using our Google account. Select your email address for login. Check the option to allow the ChatGPT application and click on the Open Link button. After login, you are now on the ChatGPT homepage.